I heard that you wanted to make a poster. If so, this is the video for you. Now I'm going to make the fair assumption that you don't own one of those specific printers companies use to make posters, and neither do I. But what if I told you that all you needed was a normal printer, like this one? It's quite a simple process, really. First, you'll need to find and download an image. Next, go to this website. It'll give you a few steps to follow. Choose the image you downloaded and upload it. You can make the poster as big or small as you want. And you may ask yourself, why not just print it on one sheet of paper? You could, but I find that larger posters tend to grab people's attention more. I recommend 2 sheets wide as to not make it massive. Choose no effects if you just want the image enlarged, and you can skip color. After that, click Complete 4-page poster. Next, you have to print out the pages. I'm all out of colored ink, so black and white will have to do for now. Then, you need to cut the pieces to shape. I recommend using a paper trimmer to cut your poster, so there's no need for scissors. Or not. If you don't have a paper trimmer, scissors are the next best thing. They're good for precise cuts with steady hands. Lastly, you'll need to connect the pages. Some simple tape should suffice. And you're done! All that's left to do is figure out what to do with your poster. You could use it for advertisement, as a prop on the set of a short film, or even just decoration in your room. The possibilities are almost endless. The poster doesn't have to stay a poster either. For example, I use the same technique to make a sign for a pep rally at my school. I really do enjoy using the website to create my own custom posters. It's a really fun and creative way to make a display piece worthy of a collector.